All right, here is day 8, and I'm still doing the ceiling, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna get to work, and we'll see what happens. So, I gotta take a break now, even though I only have 9 bolts or rivets. Sorry, rivets left. So, I'm gonna go watch a movie at Alamo Draft House with my brother, because he just got back from camping. So that movie was pretty good, guys. But I'm finally back. It's around 5:30, so I'm gonna start finishing the rest of this ceiling panel, and I'll see what I can do from there. Otherwise, I'll be ending the day. So even though that was a very little amount of rivets, it got me pretty good, but it's out. Today's panel is out, and I'm just gonna do a little bit more riveting or grinding on the rivets, and then I'm gonna call it quits for today, guys. So it's getting a little bit dark, guys, and I'm plumb tuckered out. So that's one panel done for the day. Tomorrow is gonna be the same thing, and it will be for the next 4 or 5 days. We'll see.